Gulab Jamun, just the name brings a smile. These sweet treats are loved by everyone. Soft, spongy balls dipped in fragrant syrup. They are the star of any celebration. Weddings, festivals, or a special meal, Gulab Jamun completes it. Making them at home is easier than you think. With this recipe, you can bring home the joy. Let's begin. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. We need 2 sets, one for the Gulab Jamun dough and one for the sugar syrup. For the Gulab Jamun, 1 cup milk powder, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, maida, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter, and milk for kneading. For the sugar syrup, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup water, a few strands of saffron, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, and 1 teaspoon rose water. Now, the fun part, making the Gulab Jamun dough. In a large bowl, combine the milk powder, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and cardamom powder. Mix them well. Add the ghee and rub it into the dry ingredients with your fingertips. This will give the Gulab Jamun a melt-in-your-mouth texture. Gradually add milk a little at a time and knead into a soft dough. Don't knead it too much. Cover the dough and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While the dough rests, let's prepare the sugar syrup. In a saucepan, combine sugar, water, saffron, and cardamom powder. Place it on medium heat and stir until the sugar dissolves. Once the syrup comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. You want a slightly sticky syrup, not too thick. Add the rose water, stir, and keep the syrup warm. Section 4. The Syrup Symphony. Now back to the Gulab Jamun. Divide the rested dough into small, equal-sized balls. Make sure there are no cracks in the balls. Heat ghee or oil in a deep pan on medium heat for frying. Once hot, reduce the heat to low. Gently slide the Gulab Jamun balls into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry them on low heat, stirring occasionally until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once fried, carefully remove the Gulab Jamun from the oil and directly drop them into the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak in the syrup for at least an hour. This is where they absorb all the flavors and become irresistibly soft. Section 5. Tips for Gulab Jamun perfection. Here are some expert tips for perfect Gulab Jamun. Use fresh, good quality milk powder for the best taste and texture. Knead the dough gently and don't add too much milk. Fry the Gulab Jamun on low heat for even cooking and a soft texture. Make sure the sugar syrup is warm when you add the fried Gulab Jamun. There you have it. Homemade Gulab Jamun ready to be devoured. Enjoy this delightful dessert with your loved ones and savor the sweetness of your efforts. Happy cooking!